Cook a couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Probably won't hear me open my mouth unless you hear me talking about finance. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's look was originally posted by P. Louise on Instagram, but I discovered the look through at Born to Slay MUA. So I decided to recreate this look because I thought it was so pretty. So yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and keep watching. So I'm doing a voiceover today. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids with this Juvia's Place concealer in the number 15. So this green and blue is coming after the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Y'all, I had a Christmas video recorded for y'all, but for some reason I just did not like the footage. Like, the look turned out so cute, but something in me just would not let me upload it. Like, I'm sorry, but y'all, we're gonna try again next year. And then the crazy thing is, I went through so much to even get that video edited and like add in the music. I got a new intro, so I got a copyright notice for my intro, and it was just so much, like, to the point I didn't even feel confident in uploading it anymore. You know how it is, if you stare at a picture for too long, it turns ugly. Yeah, that's how many times I watched the video and I didn't even like it anymore. And then my lighting was off. It was just so many things wrong with that video. I also had a Christmas giveaway, y'all. I'm slacking. I hate this so much. Like, I haven't uploaded in like a month, but I had a Christmas giveaway. I'm just gonna have to include that in a different video now. I do apologize for that, but I'm trying to get back, you know, into uploading and everything, because school just really threw me off. And I still get a lot of comments about pigmentation. Y'all, just pack the color on. Literally just keep packing it on until it's as vibrant as you want it to be, and then go back and blend it. This is the paint palette from Glamlight. I'm using the blue and green to deepen my crease. Also grabbing some yellow to bring out the green some more. Y'all know I cut my crease with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the shade F1. I'm just going to keep using this until it's gone. I don't really see a point in buying anything new since this works. So this is an M213 from Morphe that I'm using. I'm going to start using the bigger brush since I can say, I guess, I'm good at cutting my crease now. It's a very beginner-friendly brush since it's little. And y'all, let me know, are cut creases canceled for 2020, or like what we going to do? Because I see a lot of people saying that they're tired of them. But I'm just like, okay, what else I'm going to do then? Because I don't know.
You see, that's what I aspire to do. I'm gonna start practicing though.
I was just gonna say, you gotta keep practicing, girl. The amount of videos I recorded and didn't even upload because they turned out a mess. You really have to just keep doing it until you get it right. So this deep plum or maroon shade is coming from the 39A palette. I'm recording at the same time.
I was wondering what you were recording. Like,
Yeah, I was on the phone with Asia. Let me just give y'all a quick backstory. So Asia is one of my subscribers, but we grew so close over this year. Y'all see me promoting Fearless Faces a lot, and it's actually her business. Yeah, we've just grown so close, and we're like sisters now. So just know that I'm all for supporting you guys back. If you didn't know, when I did my 10K subscriber giveaway, I actually reached out to some of my other subscribers who had small companies or whatever, and they collabed with me for the giveaway, which gave them more exposure. So yeah, I'm all for, you know, showing you guys love and support back. So this color is coming out of the James Charles palette. And then I'm going back into the paint palette to grab the orange. And then I took the Too Faced concealer to clean it up, y'all. This is my favorite concealer as far as like going for like a natural look. It literally melts into the skin, and I tell y'all that every time I use it, but I just love it so much. So I'm using my NYX glitter primer. I usually would use the Duo Lash Glue, but I'm actually kind of low on it, and I don't want to, you know, not have any to put on my lashes. So I'm using that. I'm also taking this blue glitter from Glow Glitters. I actually use like a blue glitter and like a mix of a white and like blue one. I think I showed them later on in the video. I don't know why I didn't show them now, but yeah, that's what I'm using. This mascara is from Sister Cosmetics. Y'all, honestly, I don't care what mascara I have, as long as I have something to blend my lashes into my my other lashes that I be applying. But mascara is not important to me. Yeah, so you pretty much can use any mascara, in my opinion. These lashes are in the style Aisha from Falsified Lashes. They're actually not available anymore, which really breaks my heart, but yeah. I also added some lashes from Glow Glitters. I'm not sure which lashes these are, but I will definitely make sure I find out. Alright, then I just went back with some green and yellow and added that into my waterline. And I also added this green glitter, but here are the glitters I was talking about earlier that I used in my crease. So this loose highlighter is from Shot with Shotney in the shade Cinnamon Water. So I line my lips. I'm not even sure what lip liner this is. I just went and looked for it, and I don't even see it, y'all. I stay hiding my stuff from myself on my desk. Everything is on my desk, but I can never find it. But and then I just added some clear lip gloss on top. Alright, you guys, so we have made it to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one.